Hey guys, this is Zion with Listing Masters. I want to tell you a story about one of our recent clients that we worked with. Adam and Megan had a budget of about $1.2 million that they could spend on a home. And the challenge that we had is that we could not find a home in that budget that was updated and checked all their boxes. So we ended up buying a home for about $700,000 and putting $200,000 into it. And they got everything that they wanted and more. And they saved a ton of money on their budget. What we do with Listing Masters is we find homes with good bones and we help renovate and update them so that we get everything on there that you want. And you'll save a ton of money by doing it this way because you've probably noticed that there's a lot of homes on the market that are overpriced and outdated. So don't let your friends and family members get tricked or trapped into buying an outdated, overpriced home. Call Listing Masters and buy smarter. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our channel.